Good morning, class. Today we are going to do the lesson about the space, Earth, Moon, our solar system. We are going to review them first, okay? So I want you guys to know the number, counting numbers, like things like that, and then we're gonna go to having so much fun about the moon phase, okay? Because Miss Kim is so awesome with about making something with food. So
we're gonna have a surprise, and it's gonna
okay.
be.
All right, we're going to count. I want Victoria to count for me, and then tell me how many Earth do you see, Victoria? How many Earth do you see?
One.
In this picture? One.
One.
Okay. Well, let's count together.
One, 2, 3, 4.
So, should I keep here?
No.
Should I keep there?
No.
What is it? Should I keep there?
Yes.
Because that is number one. All right. Next.
Right.
Let's see. This is the moon.
These are the moons.
Okay. These are the moon. Thank you, Victoria. So I want you guys to count with me. How many moons you guys see? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many?
5.
5. Okay. Let's see. What number should I pin on this?
Nope.
Should I pin on that?
Nope.
Should I pin on this?
Yes.
Because this is a number what?
5.
What number?
5.
Okay. 5 what?
5 moons.
Okay.
Alright, can I tell you guys something about Jupiter? Jupiter has 3 moons. Did you know that?
Wow. Okay. This one is Uranus. Okay, we're gonna count. Victoria, start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many Uranus is it?
6.
Okay. Should I pin on this?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is number 6. So 6, what planet is it?
This is Uranus.
So 6 Uranus. Okay, next is Venus. Okay, let's count, Victoria. Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, should I pin on this?
No.
Should I pin on that?
Yes.
Okay, because this is number what?
That is number 4.
Okay, for what? What planet is it?
Venus.
Venus. For Venus. So when we are learning this, I have some helper to help me with a next lesson. So we'll see, okay? It's very surprising. Right? So this is in Jupiter. That's what you talk about. So I want you to count Jupiter for me, Victoria. Count.
1, 2.
Should I pin on that?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on this?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because is it number what?
2.
2 what?
2 Jupiters.
Okay, good job. Then this is Mars. Mars. How many Mars? Let's count. Victoria?
1, 2, 3.
Should I pin on that?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is number what?
3.
3 what?
3
Mars.
Mars. I didn't know Mars had flames.
Mars is kind of red, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
look at me. This is my favorite
Yeah,
planet. Okay, it's Saturn. Okay, we're gonna count. Count, Victoria.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many Saturn?
8.
Should I pin on that?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
No, ma'am.
Should I pin on that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because is it number?
8.
8 what?
8 Saturns. Yes, 8 Saturns.
Okay. Let's see. Maybe let's check if William almost done.
Almost.
Almost. All right. So since William almost done, okay, we are going to have a surprise for you in the next lesson. We're gonna learn about the moon phase. We need to know about the word though. If we going to learn the moon phase, is have the word that you have to know. Is the word is called waning. What's waning mean?
All right. I'm going to check on my notes. Waning means getting smaller.
The moon is get smaller. What about waxing?
Waxing means getting bigger. We're going to do some actions for bigger and smaller. Smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger.
Okay, so this is a silent question about the moon, guys. The moon, okay? This is a silent question about the moon, okay? Okay, so I want you guys to tell what a full moon mean.
The full moon. The full moon means...
You see whole
The whole
moon. Okay, all right, next lesson.
Bye!
Have you ever wondered what caused the moon phase? We all know that it's an appearance changing over time. Do you know? But why? The good way that you understand the fate of the moon is the exam on the Earth, Moon, and Sun diagram. Look at this picture that Miss Gibb showed you guys. On the right side of the picture, you're gonna see the sunlight. Did you see a little arrow? Let me move a little bit. Okay, that say sunlight. Okay, so when the sunlight shine on the top of it, it's gonna say first quarter of the moon. Down clockwise, you're gonna see waxing crescent. You're gonna see new moon. You're gonna see waxing crescent, and you see third quarter, waning gibbon, another full moon, and waxing gibbon, and go back to third quarter. I want you guys to learn about this word. Waning is mean the moon is getting smaller. Waxing is mean the moon is getting bigger. What is the waning mean? The moon is getting smaller. What is the waxing mean? The moon is getting bigger. Okay. All right. This picture will let you see on another side of it. It might be easier. So you can see the full moon in the middle. You see the crescent on the left side of your hand and the gibbon on the right side of your hand. Okay, so remember from the left to the right, the waning crescent, third quarter, waning gibbon, full moon, waxing gibbon, third quarter, waxing crescent. So let's do it again. From the left to the right, waning crescent, third quarter, waning gibbon, full moon, waxing gibbon, third quarter, and waxing crescent. And I have a very fun video that Miss Gibb and a little two helper is making a moon phase with the Oreo. So you can see it for the next one, okay? Here's just another picture for you to see. So the phase of the moon doesn't emit or give off the light itself. The moonlight we see is actually the sunlight that reflects off the lunar surface. So at the moon in orbit the Earth, the sunlight up different parts of it. So make it seem like the moon is changing the shape. In actual fact, it's just our view of it that altering. The changing phase of the moon is the Earth original satellite that is orbit the planet. It takes the moon about 27.3 days to make a complete orbit around the Earth. But because of the Earth is moving around the sun at the same time, it takes the moon about 29.5 days to go through it 8 different phases, a lunar month. So when the moon is appear to be getting bigger, it is waxing. And when it looks like it's getting smaller, it is waning. When the phase of the moon is fully turned toward the sun, it is a full moon. And we see it all. But as the moon moves around the Earth, the phase pointing toward the gradually became to hiding from the sun until we can hardly see it at all. This is a new moon comet. I hope you guys having fun learning about the moon phase. My Oreo art class video, it will show you tomorrow. so you can see how it's go when you're making a face of the moon. Is the moon have an 8 face? It's called the word that you should know is waning and waxing. So the waning is when the moon is getting smaller. The waxing when the moon is getting bigger. What does waning mean? The moon is getting smaller. What does the waxing mean? The moon is getting bigger. Good job, guys. So see you tomorrow, and don't forget to see Miss Skip and to a little helper with Oreo moon face art. Thank you. Bye bye.